So the question is, what is AI helping us to create today? Oh, is it going to be a birthday design, a festive design, or a business design? All right, the title of the video says it all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you are going to design your product flyer using AI. I just hope your graphics designer will not hate me for this. But in these simple steps, I'm going to show us how we're going to use free AI tools that we already use every day to create a fantastic professional design like we're going to see if we watch this video up until the end. All right. So the first thing is I have a prompt idea that I want to use, as you can see displayed on my screen right now. So this is the prompt idea I want to use. Now, how I would approach this idea to come up with something more beautiful and fantastic is I'll copy this idea that is on my Word document right now, and I will go to an AI tool you know already, the popular AI tool, one of the most popular AI tool you know already, ChatGPT. So what I simply want to do on ChatGPT is to enhance this prompt, like make it more arranged and detailed. So I'm going to give ChatGPT this prompt and say, enhance this prompt template that I will share with you to help me come up with a better descriptive prompt for my intended e-flyer design using the appropriate words that should be used in the prompt. So I am going to go forward and paste my prompt right now. And I'm going to prompt this AI, and we're going to see ChatGPT transforming my idea into a well-structured prompt. So ChatGPT has come up with the prompt, and as we can see, ChatGPT has explained the main visual, the layout composition of the video, the logo, and all that. Okay, so we can see that ChatGPT has given us the prompt that we need, the type of enhanced prompt that we need. So what I'm going to do is to copy this prompt. I'm going to still copy this prompt and take it to my Word document. When I take it to my Word document, what I need to do here is to evaluate and be sure that the wordings and the prompt is how I want it to be. Maybe I can give it the last human touch, but if it is okay, which it is, I'm going to copy it like that and go to the second tool, which you know to, which is Gemini. If you have been on this channel, you know that these tools are always reoccurring. So I'm going to take this, my prompt right now, to Gemini. So once I go to Gemini, I'm going to paste this particular prompt that ChatGPT has helped us to enhance. So once I paste it there, then I'm going to send in my prompt and wait for some seconds. Wow. Is this not professionally looking? I said it before now. Your graphics artist might not be happy with me for showing you this. So you can see our logo was proportionally placed in the design, and this was what the logo was looking like before I used it here. And I did a structural adjustment. All the adjustment was stated in my prompt. I asked it to place it at the center proportionately. You need to give all those details at the top center of this design. You need to give it all this prompt. Whatever element, if you're introducing an image, you need to tell it where it should be. But in this case, we didn't put our background image. I described what the image looked like. ChatGPT helped me to give a very detailed description on the kind of primary image that should form the background, and boom, this is what we have. So if I'm going to leave both my original prompt and the enhanced prompt at the description of this video or at the comment section of this video, wherever you are watching from. So I'm going to leave the prompt there. In my previous video that you can see display now, I showed us how you can remove Gemini watermark, because if you look closely at this design, it's very beautiful, but anybody that sees it knows that it was designed using Gemini. So I have explained how you can remove Gemini watermark. Watch the video. It's displayed now, and I'll also leave it in the comment of this video. Did you learn something new? It is our culture in this community to always share, like, save, and also we share to our community for them to join us and know what we are doing, and to also a proof that we are learning something. So if you really enjoyed this video, I want you to subscribe and hold on for me in my next video. See you soon.